Every year, the world reaches a powerful moment of perfect balance, and most people completely miss its significance. The spring equinox isn't just another day, it's an ancient cosmic reset. But is this a time of transformation? Or are you walking into an energetic trap? Stay with me, because what I'm about to reveal will change the way you approach this season forever. But before we dive in, hit that like button so more people can unlock this knowledge. And if you're new here, subscribe now, because I'll be guiding you through every major cosmic event of 2025 so you don't miss your chance to align with these powerful energies. Welcome to Manifest with LaLaRay. This channel is your guide to living a life free from ego, fear, and external distractions. Learn practices like manifestation, meditation, affirmations, journaling, and navigate through astrology to help you move through life as your highest self. Now back to the video. The spring equinox. It's when day and night are exactly equal, marking the transition from winter to spring in the Northern Hemisphere. It's March 20th, 2025. It's with the sun entering Aries, kicking off the astrological new year. And this moment occurs worldwide, but certain ancient sites like Stonehenge, the Great Pyramids, they were built to align with the equinox's energy. This event has spiritual, agricultural, and astrological significance, signaling rebirth, renewal, and new beginnings too. Let's talk about the hidden spiritual and astrological significance. Key points that I want to bring to your attention are let's start with ancient knowledge. The Egyptians, Mayans, and the Druids, they all worship the equinox as a time of great transformation. Energetic resets. The Earth's energy grid shifts, and many believe that this is the perfect time to reset intentions and align with abundance. Astrological power. Let's talk about that for a second. With the sun entering Aries, we're starting a brand new zodiac cycle, making this the most potent time of the year for manifestation. Yes, I said it. This energy is available to everyone, but only those who understand how to use it will benefit. And if this resonates with you, hit subscribe now so you never miss an important energetic shift. Spring equinox energy. Are you ready for this? There are key steps to align with the equinox, and I am going to share them with you right now. First thing I want you to do, or at least to think about, you may want to get a pen and paper, actually. Take some notes, write this down. Pause the video quick, pause the video, go get you a pen and paper. Take some notes, it's very important. This is very important. Okay, all right, you back? Okay, let's go. Set your intentions. This is the astrological new year, people. This is it. Write down what you want to manifest. The second thing is going to be cleanse your space and your energy. Just like spring cleaning your home, clear that stagnant energy with sage, sound, or even water rituals. Number 3, get outside. If you can, get outside and connect with nature. The equinox is about the balance with the earth. Walk barefoot, meditate outdoors, or do a grounding exercise. There's plenty of videos out on the channel. If you want, when you're done with this one, go out, explore the channel, have some fun. And then the fourth thing is going to be start something new. This is it's a fresh cycle. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. This is it. Now, beware of the potential energy trap. Okay, here are your key warnings. Be aware of emotional overload. This energy, I'm not saying this to scare you at all, but you need to know these things. So Sit tight, hang tight. All right. I want you to be aware of emotional overload. This energy can feel intense, making you feel anxious or ungrounded. So I'm telling you, get out in nature, ground as often as you need to. Avoid negativity at all costs if possible. Since what you focus on expands, it's critical to focus on positive intentions and not your fears. So reset as often as you need to. If you have to be around negativity in the workplace or even in your own, even in your own private relationships and atmospheres, I get it. We can't always avoid everything all of the time. So if you have to be subject to that kind of stuff, just remember when you are, just be an observer, not a judger. Is that a word? Don't judge. Don't even create an opinion about it. Just observe it. Just observe it. And balance. Balance is key. Aries season is fast moving, but don't rush. Don't rush into burnout or impulsive decisions. Take your time. Take your step back, assess or reassess, evaluate, and then act. Okay, we did it. We got through it. Are you feeling okay? I sure hope so. Let me know what you're thinking down in the comments. We can talk about things. Ask me questions. Yeah, any questions you might have, put them down there. I read them and I respond to them. Also, if you have any astrological or manifestation or meditation, grounding, breathing, and any kind of related content that you want me to cover, put it down in the comments. I'll do my best. And if there's enough, if there's enough interest, we will definitely dive into it via video for sure. All right. So remember, the spring equinox, it is not just another day. It's a powerful turning point. And what you do with this energy really matters. Will you use it to reset and elevate? Or will you let it pass by? The choice is yours, my friend. The choice is yours. If this video helped you at all, if you got anything out of it at all, would you hit that like button? Spread the energy. If you think that there's someone out there that you know can use it, share it. Sharing is caring, as they say, right? And if you're ready to dive deeper into astrology, manifestation, spiritual alignment, hit the subscribe button and join our community, will you? We'd love to have you.